Okay, so here we are eating your feed. I'm Rie. My friend Nikki challenged me to make this cube cheese bread. I usually don't be challenged, but Nikki's a special friend, so I accepted her challenge. Cheesy bread is sold in Milk Cow in Boots in Seoul, Korea. This video shot by Hungry Empire. Take out bread and break in half, and there is cheesy sauce oozing out, and it's very steamy. It looks good. The bread shape is like cube. It's not too foreign to me because all of Japanese bread is sold in kind of cube. I was thinking it might be like bechamel. Bechamel is one of the mother sauce. It's basically like a creamy white sauce. This time I want to make it cheesy, so I'm going to maybe add some like white cheese. I'm going to make probably 3 batch of dough. I can kind of test several different ways. I want to make bechamel cheese situation and maybe like block of cheese and maybe like soft cheese situation and see which one has the most cheesy outcome. Usually I'm the one who helps whenever something goes wrong, but today I have Annie. Yay!
Mostly just because I like the 3 of us together.
How is this physically possible though? There's no bread in there.
That's true. Oh, that kind of makes me a little bit worried about it.
Yeah, it's like all cheese.
Someone commented, only wizards can make that kind of bread. Are you a wizard today?
If I make it, I'd be a certified wizard.
Oh.
Right, thank you. Okay, so let's get ingredients. Got some cheesies. Brie will be just folding into the dough. I got Gruyere, white cheddar. This is for bechamel. First, I'm going to make bechamel. Can you grate cheese for me?
I think so.
It's gonna be easy. Just don't grate your finger.
Got to. I've never grated cheese before.
You've never grated cheese before?
I don't eat cheese.
Oh, that's true, yeah. Lactose tolerance.
It's easy. This is now a try video. Okay. Feels okay. Yeah, look at her. It's not even making
wrong.
It's not even making it into the bowl. Just Oh, she's got it.
Feel the pressure. First, melt 4 tablespoons of butter and 1/4 cup of flour. So you want to cook at least 2 minutes, so eliminates kind of flour flavor. 1.5 cup milk, little by little.
I thought it would be more satisfying than this. It feels like nothing's happening.
I think if you grate everything and if you open it, it will be very satisfying. I'm gonna add salt.
Will it stay? Cheese tower?
Wow! Will you get mad if I only use the half?
Wait.
I'm gonna add this sharp cheddar Gruyere that Annie freshly grated. Wow, it's very cheesy. Do you wanna try?
Okay. It's cheesy, but
It's very cheesy.
I want more.
Okay. Yeah, your hard work paid off.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm gonna use
all of it?
So I think I'm gonna freeze it so I can easily fold into the dough.
So you're making like cheese ice cubes
Yeah.
to put into a bread cube.
So I'm gonna set aside and make bread. Okay, so I'm going to make bread. I'm using the recipe I did a video when I was in Japan called shokpan, which is the same bread, Japanese daily bread you can find anywhere.
What makes it different from regular bread?
The difference between Japanese shokpan and American bread is the shape. Texture is a little bit different, a little bit fluffier, and a little bit sweeter. So I have 1,000 grams of flour. I'm gonna do the same here. 4 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to lightly mix the dry ingredients. 2 cups of warm water, 1 cup of warm milk, 3 teaspoons of yeast. And mix for like 7 to 8 minutes. 4 tablespoons butter each. Butter is a little cold, so I'm like warming up in the hand. Okay, I think it's good. Yeah, it looks good. Thank you. My hand is like butter. Good.
Hold it, Rie.
I'm holding.
There you go. Ew. Ew. Wait, do it again, do it again, do it again.
Okay, so I'm gonna just shape into round.
Ooh.
How heavy is it?
I feel like it's 2 kittens.
Please make a cookbook where all of the measurements are in cats.
It's my dream. Would you buy it?
Yeah, 100%.
Nice.
2 babies.
2 dobies. And we are going to do first proof, which is 1 hour. And it should double the volume. And we are going to put it in a nice and warm place. They want to be comfortable.
Me too.
Here we are, eating your feet. It's doubled.
It's huge.
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to punch it and release the gas. Why it's so funny?
If you punch me, you could also release some gas.
Yes. Oh.
Ooh. Oh. Oh. Wow.
Okay, punch it.
Oh my god, so soft.
I'm dividing dough into 6. It looks like the size is inconsistent, but it's on purpose because I'm not sure how much space I'm going to need.
How does it feel, Annie?
I can't do this. I feel like my arm, mine's so lumpy.
It's okay. So I'm going to cover this with damp towel for 20 minutes.
So cute. Nap time.
So this is my frozen bechamel. It's not perfect shape, but I think we can go from there. I have 2 molds, so I'm going to fill one with bechamel cheese cube and the other one with brie. We need a lot of filling in order to achieve that like lava effect. So I think this is,
Yeah?
I don't know, I've never done that. So dough has been rested for 20 minutes and I'm going to stuff this. So I'm gonna put frozen bechamel. My fear is if I stuff too much filling, it's gonna explode inside of the bread. So I have to make sure I close the bread when I fold it in. It's like a surprise gift box. So I'm going to put this in a mold. Okay. This one is brie. Close the steam really well. Hope it works. Okay. So I'm going to close the lid and I'm going to put on top of the oven because it's warm and nice and do second proof. The one with brie is proofed nicely. So we are going to bake 350 for 20 minutes.
How will you know if it's melted and not inside?
No, we don't know. We will know when you break it. Is it already 20? Oh? All right, moment of truth. Ooh.
Nice.
Wow! This one's the brie, right?
This is brie. It's still super hot, so I want to cool it down a little bit. So I cooled about 5 minutes and now I can touch it, so I'm ready to break it.
Thumbs in.
Thumbs in.
Thumbs in. Pull it apart.
It's good, isn't it?
Pretty good.
Look at this.
Yeah, melty cheese.
Has a steam.
Yeah,
See?
yeah, that's
Oh.
steaming.
Cheers. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's delicious.
Do you want to eat it?
Yeah.
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 Get in here.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, right? Yes.
Holy.
Good job. Am I a certified wizard?
Yes, you are certified wizard. Please put a wizard's hat on
Thank
top
you.
of her and then maybe some stars.
And maybe like a beard.
You won eating your feed.
Yes.
That's how this works. You win.
Thank you. I won.
This has been season 3 of Eating Your Feed. Woo!
So awkward.
You did put the bechamel one in the oven already,
That's true.
so we gotta take it out anyways.
Yeah. It looks different. No.
I feel like it's good.
Yeah, what?
It look like,
It looks a little separated. Oh.
yeah, and no meltiness. Let's taste it. Great. Great it is.